Imagine you plant a tree and track its height in meters over months using a simple equation. You notice the height seems to follow this pattern. Height is x squared minus 4x plus 3. This is a quadratic polynomial, and just by knowing its zeros, you can predict when the tree started growing and when it might stop. But here's the real magic. Those zeros are directly tied to the numbers in the equation. Let's begin by understanding how the zeros of a polynomial are related to its coefficients. A quadratic polynomial is written in the standard form p of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Let's say this polynomial has two zeros, alpha and beta. Here's the relationship you need to know. The sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta, is equal to negative b divided by a. The product of the zeros, alpha times beta, is equal to c divided by a. Why does this matter? In real life, quadratic polynomials are used to predict outcomes like the height of a rocket, the cost of production, or even the number of customers in a store. If you know the zeros, you can build the entire equation. And if you know the equation, you can find the zeros instantly using this relationship. It's like understanding both the problem and its solution just from a few numbers. Let's go the other way. Construct a polynomial when the zeros are known. Example, zeros are minus 3 and 2. Use the general form. If alpha and beta are zeros, then polynomial is x squared minus alpha plus beta times x plus alpha into beta. Step 1. Sum is minus 3 plus 2 equals minus 1. Product is minus 3 into 2 equals minus 6. Step 2. Polynomial is x squared plus x minus 6. That's the required quadratic polynomial. Now let's step into the world of cubic polynomials. For a cubic polynomial, p of x equals ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. Let alpha, beta and gamma be its three zeros. Then sum will be alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus b divides by a. Sum of product pairs will be alpha times beta plus beta times gamma plus gamma times alpha is equals to c divides by a. Product will be alpha times beta times gamma equals to minus d divides by a. These three relationships connect the zeros to the coefficients directly. Let's wrap it up. For a quadratic polynomial, sum of zeros will be negative b divided by a, product of zeros will be c divided by a. For a cubic polynomial, zeros relate to all coefficients b, c, and d. These relationships help you go from zeros to equation or from equation to zeros with just a few calculations.